top 5 free racing games like Forza Horizon 5. So let's get started. The first one is Project Cars. It is the best-seller racing franchise that brings all the intense thrills, emotions and fun from the vibrant world of motor racing to vivid life as players undertake a whole new exciting career journey that sees them rise from weekend warrior to racing legend. This is a free-to-play game like Forza Horizon. Now on second we have TrackMania. It is a traditional racing mode. Players race against the clock on tracks filled with jumps, loops, and other obstacles. This game offers several different game modes, including a traditional racing mode, a platform mode, and a puzzle mode. You can choose any of them according to your preferences, and obviously, it is free to play. Now on third, we have Restroom Racing. Restroom is not just the most fun, but it also has a great blend of realism and enjoyment. It is a multiplayer game. You can get online and test your skills against other racers or set up your private server and race with friends. On fourth, we have Apex Rush. It can challenge your driving skills, race against the time on exciting tracks with gradually increasing difficulty, set your fastest time and battle with other players on the leaderboards. Now on last we have Copa Petrobras. Copa Petrobras is a 100% free official game simulating the thrill of competing wheel to wheel with models from various automakers in some of the main Brazilian race tracks. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.